Hi there, welcome to my November monthly favourites. Here is a selection of items that I've been enjoying using this month during the winter months. This is the Ultimate Blends shampoo, the Strength Restorer, Honey Treasures. So honey is meant to be really good and nourishing for your hair. So if you've got dry hair, or also I was worrying my hair was falling out or shedding more, so I decided to use this. And I also bought a conditioner, but I haven't been using it as much because I noticed my hair gets a bit oily after using conditioner. I use this, and then when I dry my hair, blow dry my hair, I use heat protection spray, and that seems to do the trick. And then if I want to curl my hair afterwards, I can use my mermaid curler, deep waver from Babyless. This is really nourishing for the skin. The Papa Recipe Honey Bombay Mask. It's a pack of 10. I'm nearly running out, so I made another order for it from Yasta, including some other items. I really love this mask. This one, it says the Bombay Mask nourishes and moisturizes the skin with honey propolis extract. I've got oily, acne-prone, sensitive skin, and this doesn't affect my skin at all. It's very nice and nourishing and calms down the redness as well. Next up is this spot cream. I've been having a bit of a acne breakout because it was period week a few weeks ago, and so I started using this. I've used it before, so it's on and off just when I have spots really. AC Collection Ultimate Spot Cream by Cosrx. I am nearly finished. This has lasted a while, at least 6 months I think. It's not a bad size. I ordered another tube, so when that runs out I have some extra. I've been using my Foreo Luna twice a day, and I love it. I still use it. Gentle exfoliation, so I don't need to do any other exfoliating steps during the week if I don't want to. And these hand creams I love. This one is a L'Occitane bergamot with shea butter, and it's a limited edition for this year during the Christmas festive period. This one is all year round. The Rituals Sleep Night Rescue Hand Cream. This has sacred wood and lavender. It's really nice and soothing when you want to go to sleep at night. So just pop this on your hands before you go to sleep and you'll feel relaxed. And I love this fragrance too. It's a shame it's limited edition. I'm nearly finished up. It was only 10 milliliters. It was from one of their gift sets. My favourite fragrance I've been using since I got last Christmas is this Gabrielle Chanel Paris Essence. I have used a third of the bottle already, but still got some more. I'm glad I've got a big bottle of it, so I don't have to worry about it running out anytime soon. It comes in this nice box here. And now this is a fragrance I've come back to. This is my second bottle I've ever had. Elie Saab Eau de Parfum, Le Parfum. And yeah, I've been using this, alternating between the two. Now it's winter. I mean, you might have seen my other video I showed you a while ago when I bought the Morphe brushes from Boots, and it came in this container, this stand. It's really good, this pot. So I put a few other brushes in here as well, not just the Morphes, and it's really, really good. I can use my brushes and not worry about it collecting dust and do my weekly clean. So I really recommend getting the Morphe set, or just a stand if you want a bigger stand. They also sell the pot, I think, but I would get it the one with the brushes because it includes some brushes, you know. And my recent purchase was the Samsung S6 Lite. You might have seen in my other video, and I applied to get free earphones, Bluetooth earphones. They're worth about 100, and I got it for free. It arrived a week later after I sent out the form to get it. It's really cool. the battery on this lasts for ages, at least a few days. And I need to charge this maybe once a day if I use it a lot, otherwise 1.5 days. This is the case for it, and inside is like that. Oh, that's me. And at the back of this case, I love this case as well, this is also a favourite of mine, I put the S Pen in. You can see, blue. I chose the blue colour because it was a nice colour and it was the cheapest model. As you can see, the blue colour is here. It's peering out on the side a bit. And yeah, that's it for my November monthly favourites. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.